guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Happy COOKMAS Day 27. Moving right along here, almost to the end, guys. Again, appreciate you so much for hanging out with me during this COOKMAS. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make a little twist on lasagna. We're going to go ahead and actually make some chicken cordon bleu lasagna. So it's just like it sounds. We're going to have all the wonderful, delicious flavors that are in a chicken cordon bleu, which of course is the chicken, then the Swiss cheese, and the ham. So we're going to make a nice creamy sauce that's going to go and be a nice layer to this lasagna. You guys are definitely want to give this one a try. So if you are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share the video out. Appreciate that, you guys. And if you still have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially when we finish off COOKMAS here. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is the chicken cordon bleu lasagna. It is full of all the flavors you would find in your chicken cordon bleu, whatever you like. If you like it the sandwich, or if you like just the pasta and noodle style with chicken cordon bleu, definitely gonna be something that you guys want to give a try. Appreciate you watching the recipe today. If you did enjoy it, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.